Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Walmart beauty box for you. This is a subscription box that I do. I believe I get the boxes quarterly and it's less than $7. So I like to see what they send me and I thought I'd share those goodies with you. So I hope that sounds interesting. Keep watching. I'm opening the box. Comes with pretty tissue paper inside. Comes with a card to tell you the different variations that you could get and the different products that could be in your box and their retail value. I, of course, will post pictures in case you're interested in any of these products. So it says here, Summer Glow Up, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. Let's see what I got. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing is this BioRepublic Skincare Facial Sheet Mask. It says here it is a Snow Lotus Mask. Here's what it looks like. It says it's one of the, ooh, how do you say that word? Sassarilla involucrata, which is also known as snow lotus, is one of the rarest herbs on earth. It is harvested from the snow lines of the Great Himalayas. From centuries past to present day, people have celebrated the snow lotus for its ability to achieve clearer, purer skin and help reduce the signs of aging. Sounds lovely. What is the retail value on this mask? It has one single-use biocellulose sheet mask inside, and it is valued at $6.98. So right there is the value of the box. So very cool. I like that. I will play with that. I do like to do masks. Here's something little in here. What is this? This is the BioRepublic Mineral Face Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 30. Matte finish, which I definitely like. I am an oily skinned girl. Sheer zinc oxide. Hopefully that means no white cast. This is obviously a little sample, and the full size is 1.7 ounces, which is a pretty decent size. This is a 1 ounce bottle. This is my MAC Fix Plus, and it retails for $14.96, so not too bad. Obviously, all of these products can be found at Walmart. And of course, if you're interested, I'll have everything linked below in the description box, as well as the makeup that I have on my face today. Next thing, no big shock. I think I get this every time. I have to ask my son if he's using them because I have no interest in the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. Ooh, the flavor on this one is Pina Colada. It says, get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. The retail value for a 6 count of these is $8.98. Comment below if you've ever tried this brand. Are they any good? Should I try them and stop giving them to my teenager? Editing Jen here. I figured I might as well give this a try. So this is the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier in the Pina Colada shade. It says to just mix in to 16 ounces of water. So that is what I have done. I think this is a little less than 16 ounces, so I will tell you how good it is. It's interesting. I can taste the coconut. I like that. It almost tastes like a pina colada with crusted salt around the rim. Is that a thing? I think it's sugar-free. But I will drink this and ooh, I will be so hydrated today. See, the next one is from Cetaphil. This is the Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal, sensitive skin. It says this nourishing, lightweight facial moisturizer. This is a cleanser. It's not on here. There can be variations in your box. What I got was a cleanser. Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal, sensitive skin. I will post a picture So I'm not sure what the retail price is for this, but I have used products from Cetaphil before that I do like. I am not a dry to normal sensitive skin kind of gal, but cleanser is cleanser, and I will use it especially for travel. When I went to the beach, I was grabbing out all my little minis that I had for things. The next product is this Suave pink shampoo and conditioner that is volumizing. It says here, using revolutionary technology, this shampoo and conditioner system is formulated with an amino acid complex to smooth hair by working on the inside of the fiber, ideal for transforming flat, and fine hair into voluminous, workable hair. The funny thing is, I have this conditioner in my cabinet in my bathroom. My mother picked it up, so I'll have to ask her. I haven't tried it, but I like Suave products. Again, great for travel, or it's great to try out to see if you want to buy the full-size product. And Suave is affordable. The full-size product, which is 16.5 ounces, is $4.98. So these are only $4.98 a piece. So great. And then the last thing in the box, Bic Soleil Escape Tickle Your Senses Lavender and Eucalyptus Scented Handle, plus a moisture strip with 100% almond oil for a happy shave. This is a razor. Do we get one? Yes, there is one razor in here. For a full size at Walmart, you're gonna get a 3-pack for $4.92. So yay, that is great. It looks like it has 3 strips of razor on it. So will I use it? Absolutely. Very nice. I am pleased. For $6.98, I got a lot of good stuff. Some fulls. I'm not big on samples. That's why I don't get like the subscription boxes that send you a lot of little things. I oftentimes forget about sample products unless they're skincare and I'm traveling. Makeup products, I forget about the little guys. But full-size product of the sheet mask. I got a great razor. Anything else full size? No. And then the other 3 things are little baby things, but fun to try, fun to play with. I for sure feel like I got my money's worth. So good job, Walmart. If you get the Walmart beauty box, please be sure to let me know. Comment below, what did your box look like? Did you get other things? I'm looking at this card and it looks like you could have gotten an Invisible. You could have gotten a completely bare hair don't grow there body moisturizer and hair inhibitor. I've actually tried that. I like it. There was a nourishing face oil, a mint vegan lip balm. So they had some other interesting things in this card. I'm curious who got what. Sometimes you get a coupon on here as well. So let me know what you got if you got the box, or let me know if you're interested in getting the box. As I mentioned before, everything will be linked in the description box below if you are interested. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. Join me. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I just love all things beauty related, mostly makeup. I love to play. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.